Good morning. NISTA Module 1 Curriculum and Inclusive Classrooms. Quiz answer will be solved in this video. First question of this module is learning outcomes helps teachers to. Correct answer of this question is 1, 3rd and 4th. Next, components of curriculum don't include. Correct answer option B, recruitment and transfer of teachers. Next, UDL works best with. Correct answer of this question is option D, diverse group of students. Next, the second national policy on education, NEP, in India was formulated in 1986. Next, the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016, RPWD Act defines inclusive education is a system of education wherein students with and without disability. Correct answer of this question is learn together and the system of teaching and learning is suitably adapted. Next, Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education RTE Act was enacted and came into force in the year. Correct answer of this question is option C, enacted in the year 2009 and came into force from April 2010. The NEP 2020 proposes to change existing design of school education from 10+2 to 5+3+3+4. Next, learning outcomes articulates. Correct answer of this question option B, the developed knowledge, skills, personal social qualities and attitudes of learners after a scheduled course of teaching learning activities. Next, a syllabus. Correct answer of this question is provides class-wise and subject-wise list of themes and topics. Next, which of the following is not a component of the curriculum? Correct answer option B, design. Next question, the real aim of assessment is to. Correct answer of this question is option A, identify the leucemia in learning and provide required support. Next, features of good textbooks are. Correct answer, they are learner friendly and reflective of the perspective of national curriculum framework. Next, including children belonging to socially disadvantaged groups. It means SDGs will be beneficial for. Correct answer uniform. The first and second national policies on education in India were formulated in the years 1968 and 1986. Two children having the same disability. Correct answer may require different interventions by the teacher in the classroom. Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education RTE Act provides that every child shall have the right to free and compulsory education in neighborhood school. Correct answer between the age of 16 to 14 years and till completion of elementary education. Which of the following statements is not true for National Curriculum Framework NCF? Correct answer, NCF don't have linkage with national level education policies. Which of the following statement is not valid for curriculum? Correct answer option D. It provides the vision for education at various levels in India. Inclusive education is based on the principle of. Correct answer world brotherhood. School curriculum reflects culture of. Correct answer society. Now we have completed 20 questions. It may possible that there are different questions in your. We have completed this module. We will meet in next module 2. Thank you.